Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of wooden decorative pieces and furniture ideas that will completely transform your living spaces. Whether you're looking to add a touch of rustic charm or modern elegance, wood offers endless possibilities. Let's explore some unique wooden decor ideas and furniture hacks that will inspire your next home makeover. Wood has been a staple in home design for centuries, celebrated for its warmth, versatility, and natural beauty. From rich mahogany to light pine, each type of wood brings its own character to your space. The beauty of wood lies not only in its appearance but also in the stories it tells. Each piece can evoke a sense of history and connection, making it an ideal choice for both decorative items and functional furniture. Hello there, welcome to our channel again. Today we will show you a collection of wooden furniture pieces you never knew you needed and wood decor ideas to revamp your spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. When revamping your living spaces with wooden items, first up, consider wooden wall art. This can range from intricate carvings to abstract shapes made from reclaimed wood. Wooden wall art adds texture and dimension to your walls. Try creating a gallery wall with different types of wooden art, mixing shapes and finishes for an eclectic look. In the living room, wooden furniture serves as the foundation of your design. Start with a statement coffee table or a unique side table. Add wooden accents through decorative pieces like bowls, coasters, and candle holders. Consider using wooden frames for your artwork to tie everything together. In the kitchen, wooden cutting boards and utensil holders can add warmth to your cooking space. Open shelving made from wood can showcase your dishes while keeping everything organized. A wooden dining table brings the family together for meals, creating a cozy atmosphere. In the bedroom, a wooden bed frame or headboard can anchor the space. Use wooden nightstands to complement your bed and provide additional storage. Incorporating wooden decor, like picture frames and decorative bowls, can personalize your space and make it feel inviting. Don't forget the bathroom. Incorporate wooden elements through shelves, towel racks, or even a wooden bath mat. These additions can create a spa-like feel, making your bathroom a relaxing retreat. Use wooden boxes for storage to keep your toiletries organized and easily accessible. Also consider your outdoor spaces. Wooden furniture, like benches, picnic tables, or Adirondack chairs, can transform your patio or backyard into an inviting oasis. Add wooden planters with vibrant flowers or herbs to enhance the natural beauty of your outdoor area. Keeping your wood decor and furniture clean is vital. Use a soft cloth to dust surfaces regularly. For deeper cleaning, use a damp cloth with mild soap, avoiding harsh chemicals that can damage the finish. Wood can be sensitive to moisture, so be sure to keep it dry. Wipe up spills immediately and avoid placing hot items directly on wooden surfaces without coasters or pads. Over time, the finish on wooden pieces may wear down. Reapplying furniture polish or sealant every few months can help maintain the wood's luster and protect it from scratches and stains. To prevent scratches on your floors and furniture, use felt pads under the legs of wooden furniture. This simple addition can save your surfaces from damage and keep them looking their best. Direct sunlight can fade wood finishes over time. Consider using curtains or blinds to block excessive sunlight, especially on furniture that receives a lot of exposure. Wooden signs can add personality to your home. Create signs with your favorite quotes, family names, or house numbers. Use stencils or freehand your designs, and consider painting or staining the wood for a polished look. Hang them in your entryway or living room to welcome guests. If you have children, consider making a wooden toy box. This project is practical and allows you to customize the size and design to fit your space. Paint it in fun colors or leave it natural for a timeless look. A toy box can help keep your child's room organized while adding decorative charm. Using wood slices, you can create beautiful table decor. Sand down slices of wood and use them as bases for candle holders or as rustic chargers for your plates. This simple addition can bring a touch of nature to your dining experience. Many woodworkers are increasingly focusing on sustainable practices, using reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials. This not only appeals to environmentally conscious consumers but can also differentiate their products in a crowded market. In addition to revamping your home, woodworking can also be a money-making venture. Woodworking offers diverse opportunities for individuals to make money while pursuing their passion. From selling custom furniture and home decor to teaching classes and creating online content, woodworkers can find multiple revenue streams. However, success in the woodworking business requires creativity, adaptability, and a commitment to quality. As the industry continues to evolve, embracing new technologies and sustainable practices will be key to thriving in this rewarding field. Creating unique wood furniture and decor pieces is not only a fulfilling pursuit but also a viable business opportunity. By understanding the market, developing your skills, and effectively marketing your products, you can turn your passion into profit. Remember, success in this field takes time, dedication, and a commitment to quality. Embrace the journey, and enjoy the satisfaction that comes from creating beautiful, functional pieces that enhance people's lives. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden furniture pieces you never knew you needed and wood decor ideas to revamp your spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.